All right, so just a quick little update. So I've been, like I told y'all, I'm expecting price to play in here and shoot up. I had already closed out my first sell position. The sell position was like somewhere in between here, and I closed it out maybe on this green candle somewhere in between. So I made like a small little profit. I really wanted to see. So now currently I'm in a buy position. I got in the buy somewhere on this green candle. Not the best entry, and I'm gonna break that down for y'all. So it was a little bit of undisciplinedness in there, but here's why though. Here's why. Let me justify it. So you can see price had came below the 50 and had danced at that wick. Well, yeah, it danced with the wick. Ideally, I wanted price to hit the my 618 line. That would have been my ideal price, but it just has shot up. Now it still has the potential to shoot down, but I just had you know fear of missing out, and I was just looking at structure, and I was just going off more so price action in itself, and not really the ICT side of price action. So that's why I just had went ahead and got in the trade at a small lot size, and that's a big thing. If you're really gonna get into a trade early, or maybe not at the ideal situation, then I'll recommend at least get at a very, very, very small lot size, which I did. Very small lot size. So if this was to get to my 618 retracement, then I will just evaluate that and get back in at a more decent lot size. Um and then yeah, I expect for it to go back up. Let me show y'all my target. My target. Was it looking good on the 4 hour or the 1 hour? Let me see. Let me see. Should I take this off? Let me take this off. Don't have it all messy. Well, come on now. I think I just deleted something else. But my target is gonna be these highs right here. Pretty much. And yeah, that would be like nice. I feel like I had like a better setup for it on my phone. Everything always looks so much better on my phone, man. That's crazy. Oh, see on my phone, I have a 50 moving average, and the 50 moving average. Like usually, I use the 50 moving average as my take profit, because normally that line's pretty much perfect with structure. Most of the time, if you're on the right side of the market, it will normally line straight up with structure. So on my phone, the 50 moving average lines up pretty much like right here along the way. I could add it right now. I just don't. You know what? Let me just add it. Dang, I don't know how to do these indicators yet. Why is my screen like this? Hold on. That's crazy, y'all. Oh, nope, that was not it. Oh man, I just messed the video up. Come on now. Yeah, I reset this. That was crazy. That just pissed me off just now. I ain't gonna lie. Well, yeah, the indicator thing that made me mad just now. I was like, dang, I done messed the video up and everything. See, that was annoying. I ain't lying. 50 moving average. And I'm gonna also show y'all something else too. Y'all see the 50? So yeah, that is my take profit for this trade. Mainly for some reason I always set my take profit maybe like right at the 50, or like right under it, just so I know I get filled, because just my luck, it will stop right there, and I got my take profit right here. So I was like, you know what, let me just play it safe. That is, just my luck, man, when it comes to certain things. But if you look on a smaller time frame, see me 2 weeks ago, I would have been on a 15-minute time frame, and I would have been in a sale right now. Cause pretty much this is a nice setup for a sale. But I know me. I know me. Last week or 2 weeks ago, I would have got in somewhere right here, probably right here as a sale, a badass entry. Probably would have got back in right here, and I would have been in right now at this moment. And the me now, I'm looking at the trade, and I can see a nice, decent sell setup. But with me being on a 4 hour chart, of course, now let me just quickly go back to that. And even on the 4-hour chart, you know, everything looks just so much more cleaner. My thought process is so much just in the USA phase right now. You know, it's just the trading is so much better. And don't get me wrong, I could lose this trade. I could be completely wrong. Price could just shoot completely down, take out all the lows and everything. But just the way I'm viewing price right now, based off the higher time frames, I am still confident in the trade. But don't get me wrong, you could have made money, not necessarily right here. You could have made money definitely right here from right here, and maybe it might stop somewhere along here, or dance right here. But the money trade was like right here. This was the money trade. Let me take that. Yeah, there you see that. At the fair value gap, broke below the low. It did not come back in, but I can't remember the exact terminology ICT would use for this, but I know this was a money trade. But it is cool to observe just how the old me would have been trading and like the mindset I would have took. But I'm glad that I'm just glad of where I'm at right now and how I'm trying to learn and build this new strategy up and stuff like that. So yeah, man. But just so y'all know, yeah, I was like really scalping heavy, so now I'm into just swing trading. I think that is more better for my mental and me being able to scale these profits out more. But like I said, even if this price was to drop more, um, I would probably look to get in again on the 618 retracement. And then after the 618 retracement is hit, and you see these on fair value gaps, I would love for these to get filled, dance in there, shoot right up. Cause liquidity is right here. So these highs definitely I feel would be appealing to hit. And then I would expect for it to dance some more here and then shoot back down. So let me just add these little arrows and I'll get out y'all way. I'll get out y'all way. Let me see. There we go. Let me try this one. Let me try this one. Boom. Boom. I want to do this color. Let me change this color. Let me change the color. There we go. I hope y'all like these videos. I ain't got no subscribers yet. Just some views, but I'm having fun doing these. Having a lot of fun doing these. And boom, that's what I'm looking, man. That's what I'm looking at. And this is live. This is live action right now. 6:31. So maybe in the New York session. Like New York session, it might do it, and maybe tomorrow. But we'll see. I'm not perfect. I could completely lose the trade. It could crash down right now and keep crashing down, and then shoot back up. But we'll see. But keep in mind though, y'all know what I've been saying on my videos, the trend lines. I love a trend line. And ICT, his concepts work very well with trend lines and these patterns if you know how to trade them and if you know how to time them right. And if you're going off the 4-hour, man, you have so many opportunities. And just look at that. We already got one right here. But if you just look at this one too, that's amazing. Let me change these colors up because this blue getting annoying. Tired looking at blue. Tired, boss. I'm tired of looking at blue. And I trade this one to I feel like I got the same color going on all over the chart. It really don't matter too much, but I'm acting like it matters so much though. All right, right here. That's still ugly. It blended in too much with the red candlesticks, but yeah, this with me adding these trend lines, it's so dope just to see how price reacting, and just being able to see price take liquidity, seeing price perspective of every value gaps. You can use these trend lines as great um confluence. I don't want to say confirmation, but very great confluence to get into these trades, get out of these trades, take profits, a stop loss. Like you can do very well with these channels if you just patient enough and know how to trade them. And then like it give you great direction. Cause hold on, let me see. Am I having fun with these videos? Cause let me see. Cause right now, if we was at this moment of time and we just following along the channel, not we probably wasn't trading this, but maybe just following along. This trade is give you, or this channel is give you direction of where price is bouncing to. And if you was to keep looking to the past, you can maybe point out a previous low, old low from like weeks ago that it was probably aiming to or liquidity, and that would have gave you like just added confirmation on where the trade might go. And then with the trend line, like I said, it's giving you direction. So you see it respecting it. So each time it was respecting the trend line, it would go down. Each time it respected going down, it would bounce up. So when you see the trend line break above it, follow the direction. Come on now. Simple. And like I said, I'm just trying to make trading as simple as I can for myself, because I always tell myself I'm a simple type of guy, man. I'm a simple man. So I gotta really try to put that into my trading, because everybody like the best traders, the traders who make the most money, they keep it simple, because when you trading, your biggest enemy is gonna be yourself. So I'm trying to eliminate myself as the biggest enemy. I'm trying to master myself so I can master trading. No, in no way, shape will I master trading if I'm not a master of myself and my emotions and my discipline, and just being able to handle my strategy. So this is just all I'm working on right now. Y'all seeing it live, man. Y'all seeing it live. Y'all seeing the good, the bad, the ugly. This is, like I said, this still like a first channel, but y'all seeing me put in the work, and y'all seeing the thought process with these ideals and the framework. So yeah, but I really am happy about this trade. I am. I got a good feeling about it. Good feeling about it. Also, it was another confirmation, a little slight confirmation. I was looking at also. Hopefully, I can pinpoint it. Yeah, this right here. Cause dang, is it the same candle? See, on my chart, I believe this candle right here is green, and like I want to say that it's a reclaimed order block. I could be wrong, or it was like another type of word that ICT used, that he used like whenever price goes back up against the other side, it would use that as support. And that was just confirmation that I seen on my phone, but it's not showing the same color of the candle on my laptop. But like I said, y'all, like I keep saying, I'll keep y'all updated. We'll see how the trade goes. You know, could like my stop is somewhere right here. It's somewhere right here on this trade. And I got in on like this first green candle. I ain't got in at a good price. I got in like right here, dog. Somewhere like right there. Almost by the closed of it, but a little bit below it. So yeah, we'll see. I'm confident in it. And that's how like that's how I know I got a good trade set up, when I'm confident in it. Because if I was in a sell, I wouldn't be this confident. I would think like, okay, it might stall up right here. And then you see the 200 moving average. This is the 50. The 200 moving average also works as great support. The 50, the 200, you can use those as support and targets. I always make sure I have those on my charts. I would never really use these. You would never really see these on my trading view chart that much, unless I might use these as an example. But by default, you will always see this right here, the sessions for like the London session. All these gray marks on gray little channels, whatever you want to call them, those are like the London sessions, and that just works for me to see what price is, when this price is, pretty much. So yeah, but the 200 and the 50 definitely work very well as another way of looking at support, resistance, and I use those as my stops and my targets as well. So appreciate y'all. I'll keep y'all updated.